Yes, I've been earning money with my smartphone on a monthly basis, but it's not about monthly basis. It is determined by a daily basis. So I make sure that every day I'm ready to pile up some amount of money for me to withdraw on 25th and 21st of every month. You can earn money with your smartphone when you have internet. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video, you guys. This video is to explain to my friends. I've been having common questions from especially the people who know me, people who watch my status. Kudos to you all. Thank you very much. I love it when you give me a call and ask me, Christine, I've been seeing your status and you're talking about earning money. How do I make sure that I earn this money? I really thank you very much, and even to you people who are watching the videos direct, thank you very much. Now, in this video, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a trained financial consultant. No, I'm not there to tell you that I'm a financial guru. I'm not a billionaire. No, but I'm a type of a lady that when I discovered that there is money with my smartphone, when I discovered that when I have a laptop and I have internet is connected to internet, I can make money. I can have passive income. I also came to understand that a number of people, there's certain clique of people who are not specified as in they are not lucky, they are not selected to earn from social media or from smartphones and internet. There's that clique of people that came to know it and they have been depending, their salary has been from social media, from smartphones, from internet. They receive their money on on a monthly basis, but on a daily basis, they make sure that they are working for it. So having said that, you guys, with your smartphone, you can make yourself a passive income venture. With your smartphone, you can make sure that there is that investment, there is that brand that you want to make, you can make it. There is no shortcut. Most people will say, I've been seeing people who say, I go to train myself and do this. Yeah, training can be there for you to add on some other things because if you want to make it a brand and big and something big. But wherever you are, at the comfort of your home, you are using a smartphone so you can start right away use making money, and indirectly you've been doing the things that the people who are making money on social media with their smartphones, with the internet, are doing. The things you're doing, they are the same things you can do and make money. However, it is not just a saying. It's not that you will just get your smartphone, then every 21st of the month you go and withdraw money. There are things you have to follow. It's like this narrative of people back home, especially the people who are outside their homes. When they go to outside their countries, they go to look for greener pastures. Most people think there is a lot of money there, you go and crack it and get it. No, that money to crack it, you have to work for it. So this one is also in that concept of smartphones and internet and social media. So what has been my reply to most of my friends who say, Christine, can you teach us? One, you need to watch these videos that I make, because all you need to register for masterclass. I give masterclass on how to make money, and in today's video, I'm going to specifically talk about around 3 ways of making money on social media, with your smartphone, and other things. So, guys, it's real. Making money with your smartphone is a real deal. However, you need persistence, you need consistency, you need focus, you need to be goal oriented. You need to know, you need to treat it like the way you treat your job, but not even more than your job. You need to treat it like the way you treat your business, because this is your personal brand. The good things I'm going to give you on to making money with your internet, with the smartphone. One, you can try to shed yourself at any time. You're a boss of your own. Two, you can determine how much you want to earn. Three, it is passive income. You will just be anywhere you are and you see money coming. Unlike our traditional jobs, you have to go to work. Two, you have You have to do to follow the schedules. Now, the first way, my friends, and even to the people who will benefit from this question that people have been asking, kudos to you who asked me recently. That is the day before I made this video. I felt I need to simplify it and do it in a very simple way. The first way to make money with your smartphone, I want you to start with your social media platforms. This is when, and this is what I always advise people, this is when you will appreciate or to make money to make money online and to make money with the internet and smartphones and the AI bots. When you start with your social media platforms, these are the platforms that you've been familiar with. These are the platforms that whenever you wake up, you say, okay, I want to post up. I want to go to TikTok and see what people are saying. They are unavoidable. At 3 a.m., you find people are there. At 2 a.m., they are there. At 1 during the day, you see someone saying, okay, let me post the plate of the meal that I've eaten today on Facebook. So you are going to YouTube to watch something. These are social media platforms that are familiar with you. So start with them. Trust me, the moment you start seeing the money that is coming from social media platforms, you will come to appreciate that there is money online. That is number one. And in these social media platforms, every social media platform has its own rules and regulations. So you have to follow. And also when you start, you will know that it's like a business. If you want to get some certain amount of profit, you have to lay strategies. So you will go there and lay strategies and know what to do. Then the second one, the moment you start getting money on social media platforms, you will know that there are like other ventures that can be supported by social media platforms. What are other ventures? Other ventures we have like freelance, no, not freelancing, which can we have digital marketing. You know, something like digital marketing is very good. You guys, the moment you start you have your social media platforms working, even if you've already not yet done any, you've not yet reached the threshold, you'll come to find out that if you have skills, you can start marketing people's products. I've called it digital marketing in general, but you can start marketing people's products, services, and other things. And that's what most people are doing. Then another one on marketing, you can also sell indirectly. That is like you sell links. When I'm talking about selling products through links, I'll talk about people who are buying things on Amazon. You go to TikTok, you'll find people advertising something. Why do you think they advertise these products? Because when you click on my link, the one I'm using to advertise, for example, this laptop I'm using, I'm like, oh my god, I got this laptop on Amazon, it is good, it has these features, these benefits. You can go there and check it. The moment you click and go there and buy this laptop, me, I will get commission because you've used my link or my code. That is another way. And you can do this wherever you are. You can be in Uganda, you can be in Nigeria, you can be in Asian countries, Gulf, Europe, you can do that. Then another way is to do tasks. Tasks here, I'll combine them. There are tasks, there are surveys. Me, the first platform I started with is paid work. Paid work made me love even social media. I'm giving you the simplest way. Paid work, now you can even go and start with it. This doing surveys, doing product reviews, doing shopping reviews, all these ones, there are a lot of things that you can make money online. Mention, but there are very many ways. But the only one I'm trying to answer my friends, you have to be focused. You have to know what you want. You have to even forego some things, especially when you're starting, and you have to learn a lot of things. It is free. It is simple. You can start earning money every 21st of the month. You get from one platform. On 25th, you get from another one. And you can use one content across all the platforms, but different ratios. Thank you very much, you guys. I love you so much. Hope to see you